Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, the Hubster decided to join me today. Do you want to tell everyone what we're doing today?
So today we'll be sharing with you some holiday gifting ideas for you and your loved ones.
I'm feeling festive in my sequins. So a special thank you goes out to Clicks today for sponsoring this video. They sent each of us a box, a mystery box filled with his and hers gifts, and we're going to be unpacking those and taking you through some of them that you can hopefully apply to your own shopping sprees for the holidays. And also Clicks has a 3 for 2 Christmas deal happening right now, so if you buy 3 items with the purple sticker on it, the cheapest item is free, so you can really save big on that one. All of these items will be available in Clicks stores and on Clicks online, and we will link everything that we have showed you today in the description bar below. If it's not available, I'll link something similar. So yeah, on that note, let's get into it.
So first up we have the Surveyman 3-in-1 shaver, trimmer and facial cleanser. I actually showed this to Akila the other day because I thought it was pretty cool. It has 3-in-1 interchangeable nozzles, so it works as a shaver, trimmer and facial brush.
Survey's actually seriously impressed me this year. They also came out with a really awesome and affordable makeup line, and I didn't even know that they do men's things. So I think this will be a really cool gift for like a brother or a dad or someone very hairy. No, I'm joking. He doesn't even have much facial hair. So next up, they sent me the Remington Pro Luxe Straightener. So it looks like this, and I actually just did my hair with it this morning, and this is what it looks like. And I'm not gonna lie, this is a really good medium priced straightener. I was seriously impressed because, you know, I didn't expect much basically. For $8.39, this one has adjustable heat settings. I think I only did my hair at about 180 and it came out really good. And it also has a rotating cord so you can curl your hair, and it has ceramic coated plates. My hair feels super soft, so I would say this is a really good deal. I'm super happy with how it turned out.
So next up we have this travel bag they sent us with the Rooibos products in it. It's a really nice gift for somebody who travels a lot. Or if you have a wife like mine who has 5 million steps to her skincare and makeup and fills both hers and my toiletry bag, there's tons of space for that.
Next, I sent through this gift set from The Body Shop, and I mean, The Body Shop doesn't need any introduction. Who doesn't love The Body Shop? So let's quickly see what's inside. First up, we have vanilla marshmallow shower gel. Are you nuts? Can you, like, because normally it's always fruity. So a vanilla marshmallow. Let's see. Oh. Got a little body butter, a mini body butter. I think this is a body scrub. Yeah, body scrub. And a hand cream. I had the almond milk one like this. It's really nice. Really nice. Yeah, I used to keep it in my bag and then I used it all up. So that's quite cool. It's the perfect gift for your mom, your sister, your brother, your friend, your boss. Everybody loves The Body Shop and everybody wants to smell like a vanilla marshmallow. So I think this is a good one.
Listen, I think that everyone loves perfume.
Yeah, girls and guys.
Yeah. So this one by Hugo Boss is a classic and I really like it a lot. Boss Orange is usually my favorite scent of all time, but this one is super nice as well.
I just love that there's like an underarm in here too, so you can really get that all-round aroma ingrained in your body. So honestly, if there's a man in your life that has a tendency to sweat and you don't mind to splurge on, this is actually a really nice gift. Coming from someone who has a tendency to sweat a lot, if there was a girl version of this, I would be super stoked if I got this present. Then lastly, they sent me this Bulgari Omnia fragrance set. It has a perfume, a body lotion and a shower gel. It's a really nice, sweet, daytime, summery scent. If you're familiar with Tommy Girl or Davidoff Cool Waters, it's got a really similar vibe to that.
It has a nice, chic and fresh smell.
Gonna something smell chic?
Yeah.
I think so. But I just feel like I've never explained something to smell chic.
It's not like sexy.
Yeah, it's not like a spicy, yeah, gonna go out for a night on the town. It's more like I'm gonna go for lunch with the girls, hang out with my fam. Yeah, it's like very summary. Like I'm just trying to think of things that I do in summer, but I can't think now. So that is it from us for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.
And leave us some love in the comment section below. And if you want to see more of this guy on my channel, let us know and let us know what you want to see. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next time. As you can see, my gorgeous hubby decided to join me today. Join me.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to her channel.
What's her channel?
To her channel. No. No, seriously.